Hello and welcome to another video. One of the most well-known stations for railway photography on the Sanyo Shinkansen, the line between Shin Osaka and Hakata, is Tokuyama Station in Shunan City. Having a relatively free weekend this weekend, I decided to take a little jaunt to Tokuyama today. Tokuyama is about 2 3/4 hours away by local train, and normally I wouldn't mind that journey at all. But the weather forecast was for heavy rain today. And given just how heavy the rain can be at this time of the year, heavy enough that normal trains can be stopped completely, I decided to err on the side of caution and take the Shinkansen from Higashi Hiroshima Station. And of course, on the Shinkansen it doesn't take 2 hours and 45 minutes. In fact, the train I caught took a mere 45 minutes. And that was with a 7-minute stop at Shin Iwakuni Station to let the even faster fast trains go past. So anyway, this is Tokuyama Station. And the train, as you might have noticed, is the Hello Kitty Shinkansen. Yes, there's a Hello Kitty Shinkansen. Of course there is. Anyway, Tokuyama Station is situated on a sharp curve, which requires the trains to slow from the normal line speed of 300 km per hour to a positively snail-like 185 km an hour. The severe curve, well, that's severe in Shinkansen terms, and the corresponding speed restriction can make for some powerful photographs and videos. With the forecast as it was, today wasn't really the ideal day to be going off on a jaunt. But I did have a reason for wanting to go out and take photographs and videos of the Shinkansen today. Shinkansen trains are impressive anyway. More so at speed, and even more so at places like Tokuyama. But in heavy rain, the impressiveness dial is turned right up to 11. The trains become like mythical beasts, spewing not flames before them, but leaving clouds of mist and spray in their wake. Decidedly not good for cameras, but definitely worth it for the chance of a really stunning shot. The possibility that I might get such a shot by taking a little jaunt to Tokuyama was certainly in my mind. Tokuyama Station is a second-ranked station on the Sanyo Shinkansen. It's served by some of the very fastest services, the Nozomi and Mizuho trains, but most of the trains that stop here are Sakura and Hikari trains, which miss some stations but call at more stations than the Nozomi and Mizuho trains. Also, the Kodama services, which stop at every station, obviously stop here too. There's overall a pretty good service west to Hakata and on all the way to Kagoshima, and then east to Osaka and ultimately on to Tokyo. So, the weather forecast obviously was right. I could see the sheets of rain getting closer and closer. Do you remember that I said earlier that the rain can be heavy at this time of year? It's basically, as the rainy season comes to a close, the rain tends to get heavier. It sort of goes out with a bang, I suppose. Well, how about this for going out with a bang? It wasn't just heavy rain, it was biblical. And just in the midst of the very heaviest part of the downpour, along came a Nozomi, as fast as ever, despite the almost total lack of visibility. Impressiveness level 11? No, this was 12. As impressive as the trains themselves in the rain are, equally impressive has to be the fact that they're still punctual to the minute. In fact, more than to the minute. If I remember correctly, Shinkansen timetables are timed to 15 seconds. A little bit of rain, or for that matter, even a massive amount of rain, isn't going to get in the way of that punctuality. Until it does, of course, and the whole service is stopped. So, part of me was hoping that the rain would continue, because the Shinkansen trains in that sort of downpour really are breathtaking to watch, and I would have liked to have got some more shots. But another part of me was very aware that too much rain might result in the trains being stopped. 140 odd kilometers from Tokuyama back to Higashi Hiroshima would have been a very long walk home. Anyway, the real downpour, the biblical downpour, passed in about half an hour or so, fading into something not much more than drizzle for the most part, with the occasional heavy squall. Anyway, I'll shut up for a little while now and leave you to enjoy some more views of the station and, of course, of the trains. I waited for a couple of hours longer on the station, taking some more photographs and videos, but with the light beginning to fade, I decided to call it a day. It would have been good to have got a few more photographs while the rain was really torrential, but at least I was able to get a couple of shots of the one Nozomi that did pass through the station at full speed while the rain was at its real heaviest. And so, here are those photographs now. Anyway, thank you for watching as ever. Please do leave a thumbs up or a comment or even both if you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in another one very soon. Thanks again, and bye for now.